The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Thursday, fellas. Sound and sight are good. Thank you. Thank you. Ed, Richard, good morning. Chris. Guys, good morning. Dan, good morning. Good morning, fellas. Today is, of course, Thursday, July 25th. We are almost out of July. Man, flying through summer. It'll be snowing soon. Not here, but maybe where you're at. In any event, today is Thursday. We do have a little bit of news. We have obviously continuing and initial jobless claims today. We have GDP at 8:30. Nothing else of any interest. We have no speakers, it looks like. That's a relief. No major earnings after the close. Juniper, but I don't really follow it. Then tomorrow we have core PCE. That's the big news. Core PCE, guys. Ahead of FOMC next week. Currently, volume is extraordinarily, good morning, Connor. Volume is extraordinarily high. As high as I can ever remember high. 153,000 contracts have traded. Normally, when we come in at 8 o'clock, we're at 68,000 contracts. So volume is extraordinarily high. We only have 1,200 on the net negative delta. Nonetheless, overnight selling. But heavy volume. Currently, NASDAQ's off 52, pinging around its 100-day moving average. I'll show you charts in a minute. ES is off 10 handles. YM is down 5 ticks. Russell is down 2 ticks. Crude's off $1.42 again. Looking at equities, Apple's off $1.54 currently. Amazon's up 67 cents. Meta's up $1.33. Google's down 77. Microsoft off $1.29. Tesla's off 247. VIX is up again 1.69%. Nvidia is off $1.09 and SMCI off $15.50. In any event, if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We've had some trials in for the week. I will be sending out an email again to you today. It will be the last. Good morning, Hubba. It will be the last email that I send to trial members. Trials will all end tomorrow. Good morning, Kevin. The Algo, I ran the 15-second. For me, was down $110 this morning. Algo 2 on the week for me is currently down $10. $10. Not a big winner, not a big loser, fairly steady. The Algo cumulatively on the week, really on the strength of Monday, is up over 5,000. Monday was the big day. Tuesday we were green. Yesterday we were small green. But it's up. In any event, here we go. Let's read the disclaimer and wait till 8:30, get past the news, and then we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the futures and options markets, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily, excuse me, indicative of future results. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. This is Algo trade number 2 on the day, 1,000 volume. On the ES, I have had nothing on the NASDAQ, guys.
Target filled.
I missed the long watching this damn ES. Son of a bitch. I missed my NASDAQ long, guys. NASDAQ long was at 90. I missed it. Crap. So I have to just adjust the stop to the previous pivot, which here is 68.50. ES is going to make 85. It should get that target, guys. NASDAQ is fixing to break out. This gets above 75 and she's going 206. There it goes. We just reset Ludwig levels yellow. So we're long above 55. We actually hit target here and didn't fill it on the ES trade.
Treasury Secretary Yellen urging faster progress on debt restructuring for poor countries and more support to countries struggling with high debt service. Yellen saying that the Q2 GDP data and inflation data on Thursday affirms that U.S. is on a path to steady growth and declining inflation. Global economy remains resilient, driven in large part by the U.S. economic performance.
This can
Yellen
go long.
We'll keep pressing China to change economic model that
here,
channels
63.
too much savings, too many subsidies into manufacturing.
We're pushing yesterday's low at
excess capacity in
68.
China.
We have to get above, call it 73, 74. 73, 74 is what we have to get above. Algo targets, guys. Here, got a runner here. Auto trail is in. And here we go here.
Order canceled.
Okay, out, up 1245 on these settings on the algo. Up 450 here. And we haven't gotten target yet here. Come on, push, you little rat bag. Don't you pull back. Come on, a little more push. There it is. Oh, missed me by
Order canceled.
target hit. Okay, guys. So here are your algo totals for the day. I'm shutting them off. Bing, bing, bing. Done. 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 And ES is off. Here are your totals on the algo. 1245, 450, 1555, 587 on the ES. Nobody has the ES because I just started with it yesterday. You guys good on the algos? Guys? Guys, is there anybody that didn't make money today? I still like longs. I think we're going to push to 44.75 and break out today. Is there anybody that did not make money today? How about you guys with the algos? I got a room full of people with algos and 3 people responded. Guys, I ask because if you guys are, struggling either trading or with the algos or whatever the case may be, I can't help you if you don't tell me. I mean, this isn't a CIA secrecy here.
The Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Activity Index in just a few
Nothing
seconds.
relative to you, Anthony. We're going long here, guys.
Order filled.
I like the longs here. This is going to push up to 250.
Order filled.
This pushes up to 250.
Still awaiting the data.
Waiting some kind of data.
Order canceled.
No idea what the data is. The only way this short is below 173.
Kansas City Fed at minus 13 worse than minus 5 expected for manufacturing index.
All right, good guys. Looks like we could get a small pullback. I think we're going to end up today at 310. That's my opinion. Ton of buyers, guys. Ton of buyers. I mean, we're now up to a 1,200 contract positive delta. Remember, core PCE is tomorrow, right? We bounced back above the 100-day. The probabilities are we now trade back up near 500 and change in the coming days. NASDAQ is coming down and more than likely to 140. More than likely to 140.
Order filled.
I tried a small short here, probably the last trade of the day for me. This is just probably going to be some profit taking in here ahead of the European close.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I took off half my position, holding 5. I'm short in PA accounts, guys. Holding 5. If it breaks here, I get the enchilada. Yeah, YM is going nicely. Anybody have any questions, guys? All right, let's see. Dan All right, guys. Trial members, I'll see everybody tomorrow to wrap up the week. You're welcome, John. We do have core PCE in the morning, so you may not want to run Algo 2 tomorrow morning. I don't think we'll get much movement ahead of core PCE, so you might just want to wait till the market's open. Okay. Gentlemen and ladies, have a blessed day, and I will see you all tomorrow.